Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this beautiful and functional Garvee brand twin size bed frame that they just sent me. This thing is awesome and I'm just going to start from the beginning. First of all, this was a 1-person 45-minute setup, not difficult at all. Instructions were super clear. I know exactly what I needed to do the whole time and it was easily a 1-person setup. I really didn't need help. So super awesome. I love that when it can be an easy setup. It just makes me excited and actually I can do it correctly, which is a major highlight. So easy setup, awesome. The next thing I love, this is super functional and I love that for a couple of different reasons. A lot of times kids' bedrooms just don't have enough places for storage, but this is awesome because these two drawers slide out and there's a ton of storage in these drawers. Now what's really cool is it comes with 2 drawers, so this will be a bed frame you want to have up against a wall somewhere because this is what's going to complete the bed are these 2 drawers. But the cool part is you can have it face either direction and you can just flip the drawers and then have them be on the other side as well. So I absolutely love it. So this and this are both these drawers right here. Huge storage, like this can fit a lot of different clothes, which is amazing because I know just as well as anybody, I've got 3 kiddos. There's never enough space. They have too much stuff and it's so hard to store it everywhere. So I absolutely love that feature. Next thing is just this really fun, soft, beautiful fabric. And I'm going to show you the headboard as well so that you guys can see the seams, the designs. It's simple, but it's got great aesthetic to it. So we've got some really awesome seams coming down here, which just gives it a great look. And I absolutely love that. I put this mattress cover on here so that I can actually lift up and show you guys the mattress. So this is what it looks like. It was really super easy. These little slats just click into the sideboards right here, allowing you to have that nice slat coverage, and then a bed frame will fit the mattress perfectly right on there. So I absolutely love that feature. You can see right here both of our drawers. You can see the open side against the wall right there. So if you needed to flip the headboard to have it be the other direction, you could easily do that. So it's really able to be super whatever you need it to be, and just by flipping the bed frame and the drawers. So if you guys are on the hunt for a new twin size bed frame, this one's perfect. It's simple, it's functional, we've got extra space with it, which is a huge plus, and the setup was extremely easy. I love Garvee. I have reviewed a lot of different items from Garvee and I have not had one that is not great quality. I think this bed frame is no different. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm about to move my toddler into it and this is the perfect setup.